Alright, in today's video we are gonna get to install a spoiler on a Model Y. The car is pretty basic. It's dual motor, long range. It looks like any other Tesla on the street, but that's why we get to modify it or wait. So we are gonna be installing a spoiler, and let me show you. Here is two options that I picked. And for some of you that are been subscribed to this channel a long time, I know it's an electric, but you know, you gotta go on with the times. And also we do have many V8s here, pretty much V8, inline 6, V8, and so on. But yeah, today we are gonna be fitting a spoiler on this car. So I bought two. I couldn't decide which one I liked. So here are the two options. This is basically a performance model spoiler that comes on a performance models, and this is something different that comes on a M3s, kind of like gives that like a little low cut in the middle, more of like a NASCAR style look. But yeah, so let's fit them on the car and let's pick one of them, and I think I know which one I want. But here is, this is so freaking light. It is a dry carbon performance model, comes with a 3M. That doesn't look bad, but it's very subtle. It's sleek, and you really can't tell it's there if you look from the back. So let's try the other one. Here is the second option, and I think this one looks way aggressive. Alright, with my app in my hand, my phone, I'm gonna bring her back. That's what's cool about electric cars. Look at that. Alright, that's good enough. So I got some alcohol on a towel, and I'm just cleaning wherever the spoiler is gonna be stuck. So next thing is I'm gonna center it, and we're gonna tape it off and tape it back on. So this is how she's gonna stay. Just like that. I left a little tab here, so that way once I stick the middle part, I can press it down and pull it underneath, so that way it just stays in a position and gets stuck to where it's supposed to be. Alright, this is how I'm also going to position it. I put where I need it, put a tape over it, cut the tape off. So now once I line it up, we'll go like that, and then we get to pull it off. There's no going back unless I want to take it off. Position. Oh, snap. She is catching fast. Maybe up. And then hopefully put her down. Well, That's it. She's not going anywhere from here. It's gonna be a pain in the ass if I want to take it off, but everything is doable. All right, starting from here, make sure this is all lined up where I want it. All right, so this guy, I'm gonna fold it up like that. I'll pull it up. And I'm gonna see if I want it there. So I go all the way around with this thing. Oh no, this is gonna stay here. Alright, here is a quick view, quick walk around. I know my shadow might be in the way, but this is the best way to see it. I just love the way this thing came out. And the back looks so menacing. Yeah, I think it's worth $129. I'm just not sure how good the double-sided tape is, but if it starts coming off, I'll just get a 3M. But yeah, look at that rear end, absolutely good.